Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make someone automatically get a role on Discord. First of all, open Discord. Click on Server Boost. Then click on Server Settings. Now click on Roles. After that, click on Create Role. Give a name to a new role. You can write the name, change its color. Then click on Save Change. Now close the roles page. After that, open Safari. Search yakpdb.xyz here. Now yakpdb is open. Click on Control Panel from the top left corner. Then click on the Login using Discord button. Now click on the Login button, where you have to put your email, number, or password. Then click on Login. After that, click on Authorize. Account is logged in successfully. Click on the Select Server, then MR. Now click on Continue. Then click on Authorize. Check the box I am human. Now you can see the bot is added to server. Then click here to start managing it. After that, click on Select Server. Now click on the server of your choice. Click on Tools and Utilities from the dashboard. Then click on Auto Role. See if they assign members in this role. Now minimize this page. Open Discord again. Get into Server Settings. Then click on Roles, where you can see yakpdb is added. Now grab it from the bottom to top. Save the changes.